everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. So today we are going to unbox a special package on this video. So let's begin. I'm just tearing it off. So as you can see, it's a VR box and it does have that remote control with it which works on Bluetooth. And okay, this is it. Nice little patchy leggy, so it's kind of nice to have it. It looks pretty nice. So it does come with those AA batteries. There are no batteries inside, but I'll show you later how we can work with it. So let's keep it aside and go with the main box. Here is the VR box and we have to open it. Okay, on this side you can just go with the box. I just open it up, and it's not very expensive one. So okay, virtual reality glasses. So this is it. Smells like plastic. So okay, I'm gonna show you how we can do it. I don't have any idea about how to do. This is the first time I'm using a VR. It's been so long time it has released and everything happened, but I really don't have any idea about it. So this is the thing, it's coming with it, maybe for cleaning or and these are the glasses. Can you see those glasses here? Okay, yes. So I'll show you how we can put a phone inside of it and have some fun with it. So I'll show you how it finally works. And so this is it. The box fall off. And here we go inside. It's a bit leggy type. So this is the camera. Okay, this is for the camera hole. And what is this all about? Okay, maybe ventilation or something. So this was the video for today about the unboxing of this VR box, and I'll just test it later and give you guys a bit of details about how good is it. It looks fine. It's good. Actually, this thing makes it more interesting. This little remote controller. It's a nice one. Okay, so what do you think about it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And that is all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.